Told you I'm not here by myself. Crazy bees? What the hell? Crazy bees.
I think it's a honey candy.
It looks like these weird things my mom used to eat when I was little. That sounds
They're in the back. They smell in the back?
Mm-hmm.
Really?
I don't know about these crazy bees.
Okay.
What are these crazy? Ooh. All right.
Oh, they're like green. Why are they green?
No, they're different colors.
They are?
Seems. I hope they got flavor.
Oh.
Gush. If you like a really good gummy, this is you.
This isn't a good gummy.
You don't like it as a gummy?
Nope. Great, they're yours.
This is not something I would run home for. I give this a 6. Crazy bees. Yeah.
Dumb.
Ugh.